Conversation questions to practice. In this exercise, we will read questions and I will answer them as possible answers for you. But after this class, I want you to practice these questions at home with your family or your friends. Number 1. What is your name? My name is Akansha. I spell it as A-K-A-N-S-H-A. Now, when someone asks you your name, you don't have to give them your spelling. This is just because my name is a little complicated. Where are you from? I am originally from India. What do you like to do in your free time? In my free time, I like to listen to audiobooks of my favorite authors. How long have you been studying English? I've been studying English all my life. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is Indian food. I love the balanced meals, the dal, the flavors, and the spices. What did you do over the weekend? Over the weekend, I worked a little bit and then I went for a jog in the garden. Can you tell me about your family? I come from a nuclear family, and my family is very small, where my maternal side of the family lives in India, while my paternal side of the family lives in Spain. What is your favorite movie? My favorite movie is The Godfather. This is one of the movies that we will be speaking about in the B1, B2 English course. How do you usually get to school or work? I usually walk, or I take my bike. Have you ever traveled to another country? If so, where did you go? Yes, I have. I love traveling by myself and exploring new cultures and meeting new people. I've been to India, as I'm from India. In Asia, I've been to Thailand, Vietnam. Then in Europe, I've been to Germany, Italy, France, and Spain, and Netherlands. I'd love to travel to Japan this year. The Japanese culture, really intrigues me. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is red. How old are you? Never ask a lady her age. I'm 30 years old. Do you have any siblings? If so, how many? I have an elder sister. What kind of music do you like? I like contemporary music and electronic as well. What is your favorite book? My favorite book is... I have a lot of favorite books, as every month I read at least 3 to 4 books. But one of the books that truly moved me was Normal People by Sally Rooney. Can you tell me about your hometown? My hometown is in India. It's called Mumbai. It's a crowded and a very bustling city, filled with culture. It's a multicultural metropolitan city that is sure to leave a mark on you. What is your favorite subject in school? English literature. Do you like to exercise? If so, what kind of exercise do you enjoy? I love doing yoga. Have you ever been to a concert? If so, who did you see? I like going to concerts. The last concert was in Italy of Devendra Banhart. What is your dream job? My dream job is to do what you love. Do you have any pets? If so, what kind? No, I don't have any pets. Have you ever tried any traditional foods from other countries? I love trying traditional foods from different countries. I love the different tastes and different palates and the different ingredients. What is your favorite season? My favorite season is summer. I love going to the beach. Can you tell me about your best friend? My best friend is a kind, lovable, supportive, and funny person. Have you ever gone camping? If so, where did you go? I've never gone camping. I'd love to try it out.